Hi guys, thanks for coming back to Crafty Corners. I've got my lights on and everything in the background, and I just hope you guys are having a great, this is Monday, so I hope you guys had a great weekend and all. I ordered a, from Crafty Girl. She had, an Etsy shop now, and she did a junk journal that you can buy to make your own, to redo. So we're gonna open this together, and I am so blessed to get this because I was hoping to get one because she had so many orders. She said it was crazy, and she was really hoping. And oh, she sent me some little treats too in this pretty bag. So I might save that bag and put it in my junk journal. I would like to actually do a junk journal, maybe weekly thing in here. I'll show you all this, but she did write me a note. She goes, "Thank you so much for ordering from my shipment. I hope you love the junk journal kit." And then she did a little heart and her little initial. I think this is gonna be so much fun. So in the kit, it's a mystery kit, and you get all kinds of stuff to start a junk journal. And on the junk journal is you can put it on this compound book and little notebook. And I am going to actually even decorate the book itself. So I want to do that, but I want to see all the goodies I got from her. Oh, got some loose goodies here. She sent me a pen. And some of the little beads, or yeah, I would say beads. She sent me some beads. So she sent me that and a clippy. I wish I had like a little trinket box book. I got this little soap here. It's going to be my next haul. I'll use it to hold those beads. Okay, so let's pull the rest of this out and see what we got. Oh, I just dropped some of these little hearts. She sent me some of these hearts. And I did go to Hobby Lobby, and I was kind of looking around at their junk journal things that you can buy there. And if I do like this, I might move up and start getting into junk journaling. I don't know. This is going to be my first kit and my first step to look into. So, in the first part here, she sent me travel summer stamps and some just bulletin stickers, some happy birthday stickers, a little sign thing, a recipe card, I want to say this is. Yeah, from the kitchen, a recipe. So this would be cute. I could do like a put my favorite recipe and put it on there. And then she found some of these colored notebooks, and she sent me half pages of each of the rainbow colors, I guess. I guess I'm missing purple. And then she sent me a bag. I love these kind of bags. And then just some more scrap papers. Solid. I would say this is like that. A little bit thicker cardstock. And then some lemon papers. Some flowers. I might have some of these in my stash. And then just some little card. This looks like an old newspaper. some just junk journal stuff, some more stickers of sayings, and a page from Charlie Brown's paper book. I think that's cute. And then some more paper, a to-do list, a weekly list, bunches to-do list, and then it looks like just like a little paper to do and not today and not today. So maybe like a list of stuff I want to do maybe today or that day. And yeah, and I seen her haul these are jumbo playing cards. I might turn these into what is that called? But I might decorate these. I can't think of what they're called right now. My brain is not all there. I got some psychedelic 80s, I would say 80s, maybe 90s stickers. Some kind of I don't know, paper. Oh, papers from Moby Dick. The story of from Moby Dick. Some tickets. A white envelope. A big white envelope. And then there's a box of a little bag of goodies in here. But we'll go through that in a minute. Let's keep going here. A sack. Just a sandwich bag. An envelope. Some eye stickers, which I probably won't use these in my junk journal. I just don't think this is the way my junk journal is going to go. I have an idea in my head, but this is not really, I don't know. We'll see. So there's these stickers. I might give those to my kids. And then I have a story here from a storyline, I think, of The Little Mermaid. Then some letters. Oh, they're silver. I like these. Now, this right here, I'll probably use for my junk journal. And then a coloring page of a mermaid and of a princess. And then the junk journal, going to be the junk journal itself. And then in the goodies that she sent me here, is a paper clip, a clothespin clip, an arrow, and then these cute little junk journal stickers and little teacups, things like that. And then here is, I think it's supposed to be like a movie thing. And then here is just a tag, another movie tag, another bicycle, and just some more of those things there. I like this one right here with all these coffee items. I am totally, yeah, I'll have to show you guys our coffee corner that we got going on. I told my husband, Sean, he needs to start his own YouTube channel and show you guys his coffee stash and the coffee he's making for him that day or that evening or whatever. And his vitamins that he likes to take that's helping him out. And these are so pretty. And see, this is kind of like more of the theme I was thinking of doing. But this other goodie stuff And I only paid $20 now, guys, plus shipping and handling. Oh, I just noticed I have hair sticking up. But yeah, and then here is some exercise stickers and some food stickers and a card. And then a whole bunch of paper, small colored paper. And then an envelope, a pretty envelope. So yeah, oh, and here's one address that I didn't show you. So that was all in this little area of bag here. And I think I got my money's worth, because if I don't use it on here, I might use it or, you know, friend it to somebody else. So anyway, I am thrilled for what I got for the $20. If you guys want to, I'm trying to remember. I know it's Crafty Girl, but I can't remember what it's called on her Etsy shop, but I'm not for sure. I'll see if I can figure out what it was on the Etsy shop and make sure I have it linked below. She does have other things too that she's selling on her Etsy shop, and she looks like, she says she's getting ready to add more different stuff. This was her, I think maybe her summer or one of those kind of deals. I don't know. But I just wanted to show you guys, and I am so thrilled of what I got here, and I can't wait to start working on it. I might try working on it a little bit tonight. But this is, I just wanted to show you guys this because I was so excited. I got it, I ordered it right when she opened her Etsy shop back up. And I grabbed this one. I went and just grabbed this one. She does have one for like $25 or $20. And it's the little golden book. And I thought about, where I worked, I had golden books. And so I think I have some golden books still too. And so I will might just get my own golden book and just kind of add stuff to the golden book. Stuff does not want to go back in. I don't know how she got it all in so nice and neat, but it's not working for me. There we go. Okay, so here is the package, what it looked like when I first got it. I hope you guys will go check her out because she is very crafty, and her house is just beautiful. She's been redecorating her house and stuff. So I really hope you guys like it. And if you do, say hi to her from Nellie. And thanks for watching. Like always, God bless you. Have a great day.